How to sign in or log in to Netflix. So if you want to sign in or log into your Netflix, then first you need to install the Netflix application. Make sure to install the application from your App Store or Play Store, and then you need to open up your Netflix application. Once you open your Netflix, tap on Get Started, which is on the bottom of your screen. And from here, you need to enter your email address to sign into your account. So enter your email address and then tap on Get Started again. And here, you need to enter the password. So make sure to enter the correct password. But if you don't remember the password of your account, then you can go for forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and then tap on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Netflix application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.